ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಯಿತು, ಅಪೂರ್ಣ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ, ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾರು ವಿರೋಧ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಪತ್ರಿಕೆನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿತು ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು.
Karnataka in the spotlight again. A special cabinet meeting led by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah tackled the 160 crore rupees caste census report but ended without a decision. The cabinet met to discuss the explosive caste census report but left without a decision. Law Minister H.K. Patil said discussions on population and backwardness need more clarity.
State Cabinet today discussed about the social and educational survey, and we have discussed in detail, but the discussion was incomplete. We wanted some technical details also. We have asked our officers to furnish that in the next meeting. Maybe on 1st or 2nd there will be another cabinet where we will discuss this subject and take a final view.
Sir, the data is, the media is showing the data. It is the authorized data.
Which media you are telling, I don't know.
Media.
But lot of information that is coming in the media, I don't say that it is wrong.
Transport Minister Ramalinga Reddy revealed Siddaramaiah asked for ministers' inputs by May 2nd.
Our Honorable Chief Minister asked all ministers to give their opinion before next cabinet meeting, in writing or in orally.
What was the discussion today, sir? They didn't give opinion today?
The CM has given time for all the ministers to give opinion. That's all today's agenda.
Sir, there were Dingraj ministers.
No.
Ministers were saying that unscientific.
No dispute, no dissatisfaction, nothing. Meeting was very peaceful, and everybody was present.
Sir, this will take
And
up in
Honorable Chief Minister asked us to give our opinion in writing or in orally. That's all. That CM will decide. Either he can call anytime special cabinet meeting.
Veerashaiva Lingayats and Okkaligas slammed the survey as unscientific, claiming undercounting, while Dalit and OBC leaders demand its release. Covering 94% of the population, the 2015 survey finalized in 2024 did not discuss Lingayat or Okkaliga data. Should Karnataka publish the caste census or start a fresh survey? Do tell us in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to Sala Digital for the latest news.